Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my first, I'm so excited for this, BOXYCHARM unboxing. I've been getting BOXYCHARM for the past year and a half, and I have to say I love this subscription box. It's a $21 beauty subscription service. It comes with 4 to 5 full-size products in it. Sometimes 6. We did get 6 last year, but the 6 was a travel size product. There's a wait list for this box right now, but I'll link down below where to put your name for the wait list. I honestly think it's super worth it. Also, I apologize, I am losing my voice. I find that there's a 1 month each year that I start to sound like a prepubescent boy upward until full baritone. So I'm in that transition right now, I guess. But yeah, let's just hop into the box. I opened this with my face shaver, so. Okay, so the theme for this month's box is Rock 2018, and I'm gonna rock 2018. I promised myself this year I would stop being so self-judgmental and do the things I want to do. I wanted to make a YouTube channel for over a year now, but I've just been, saying that, making excuses not to do what I wanted to do. I'm like, oh, I don't have a nice camera, I don't have nice lighting, I don't have a tripod, and this year I'm just gonna stop making excuses. I don't have the best background. This is my bedroom background. This is pictures from high school, and this is a letter my friend wrote me, but I feel like for now this is where I'm gonna start. So yeah, let's rock it. And also there is a Rock 2018 ingredients card for one of the products. The first product we have in the box is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. This, as the literature says, is an on-the-go highlighter, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade. Cool, so this has 2 existing shades, the highlighter and the bronzer. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. It reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream, and now I want ice cream. But, let me just swatch these 3 for you. Wow, these feel so creamy. They are reminiscent almost of the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow formula, especially the Super Shock Cheek. Say that 10 times fast. Alright, let's see. Woo! 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 What? That is insane! Alright, I'm pretty much going to say immediately I'm not going to like this bronzer shade because I don't necessarily like I don't really like a shimmery bronzer on my face. I'm more of a matte to satin bronzer person, but this highlight looks insane. Also, this blush is a super pretty, more summer color for me, but wow, this is awesome. And this retails for $34. Alright. The next thing in the box, I'm gonna pack. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer Base. This is super cool. I did see the spoilers, and I saw we got this in the box, and I was super excited because throughout BOXYCHARM last year, we got 2 Dr. Brandt face scrubs, pore dermabrasion, and microdermabrasion, and they're super nice. But wow, I've always wanted to try like a makeup product of theirs. So this is $38 to start with, and this is full size as everything is in this box. This luminizer primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Ooh. Oh. This feels interesting. There is a little, I've got it right here now that you can tell, but there is a little glow to this. And it feels really like a moisturizer hybrid. So this looks really cool. I'm excited. I have dry skin, so I'm always looking for illuminating primers. My favorite is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, but I'm excited to give this. Yes, BOXYCHARM. Give it a shot. Alright. Okay, this is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $24. This has a bunch of infusions in it. It has, for a few, biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins A, B5, C, E, and brow power, trademarked, technology to give most beautiful brow ever. So this is in the shade Universal Taupe. So this is a universal brow pencil. Oh, this is really pretty. I like the packaging of this. Alright, and this is, oh, okay. So this is like, I feel like a mixture of the Brow Wiz and the Brow Definer from Anastasia. This is a little oval. And let's see how she writes. At first I was pretty skeptical to think that this would work on all brow shades because, you know, when you're blonde you have very, very fair brows. I went over my hand pretty lightly and I can see how this will work on blonde eyebrows, and this will be the perfect shade for me if I put a little more pressure because my hair is a little darker. Moving right along, we have 2 more products. Alright, oh, I thought I was going to pick up the palette. Yes, I was so excited. Ah, what shade is this? Posh. I always see people do this on YouTube and I'm like, how do you just... Oh, so this is the Lactic one. Let's see it. Focus on this bitch. Yeah, it will. Ah, okay. So this is the Lactic Matte Lip Paint. This retails for $23 and this is in the shade Posh. This is the original liquid lipstick formula and it is lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. So this is pretty cool. Also, I really like this packaging because this is like a frosted matte. Ooh, this shade is right up my alley. This one is right down here. This is a beautiful, like a mauve berry shade. This is real pretty. Definitely like a mauve berry, like I would say. Wow, I'm super excited. Lactic is just a brand that I've heard a lot of good things about and I haven't had time to go in and buy from. So this is a great opportunity to try it out and I'm super, super pumped. And the last thing in the box is the palette. This is the Crown Pro Glam Metal Palettes. This retails for $25. Alright, so it looks the same as the packaging on the outside. And then we just open it up and oh, there's a guitar. And these are the colors. Wow, look at this gold shade. And even this one, this rusty copper. Oh, I should probably tell you. So this is the palette and everything in this palette except for this black shade up here is completely shimmer. This is the only matte shade. And this one has little shimmers, but I feel like this also could be a matte because it's definitely not as metallic. This is really, really cool. Wow. I love this box. I find that BOXYCHARM BOXYCHARM's been stepping up their game lately. The overall value for this box was $144. I am going to try to post a review video on these products because I find the one thing with BOXYCHARM unboxings is that I don't know what they feel about the products. It's always like a first impression, like, oh, I think I like this, but I never know if they really do like it or if not, because for those of you who don't have BOXYCHARM, if you're wondering if these products are good or if you should purchase them, I want to give that review to you. So if you'd like to see something like that, I'm trying not to talk too fast, please leave it in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my first unboxing ever and the first BOXYCHARM of 2018. Let's make this year rock. Let's do everything that scares us and let's, you know, be successful. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you feel like it. Yeah, and I'll hopefully see you guys again in my next video.